All right, another happy customer. Bam. Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys family? Today, we're showing you guys everything that you guys need to know to start your very own detailing business. Let's get started. Now, the first thing to starting a detailing business is coming up with a name. So make sure that you come up with an awesome name that is very catchy, or maybe it's just something that you're really excited about, and really just make a brand or really make a name for your brand that's on brand to what you actually want to convey and the audiences that you want to capture. Now, when it comes to starting your own detailing business, social media is a huge aspect of doing so. Now, when it comes to our business here at the Chemical Guys headquarters, we're literally on every single platform. You'll see us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, YouTube, you name it. We're on all different platforms because we want to make sure that our name gets out there to the masses, and that's exactly what you want to do. Whenever you're doing your detailing business, you want to make sure that all your work is put out there and it's looking its best quality ever. So whenever you post something, make sure that you're posting something that's on brand, something that reflects what you're actually doing on your brand, and you also want to make sure that everything that you post is relevant to your detailing business. You don't want to post anything that's irrelevant, like your personal life. Try to focus on catching up with all the trending things that are going on TikTok, YouTube, whatever social media platform that you're used to. Here at Chemical Guys, we utilize all platforms, so that's our strongest recommendation for you guys out there, is to really just broaden your audience by having the maximum potential in your target audience. Another thing that you guys want to be posting on your social media is before and afters. Here at Chemical Guys, we're known for our before and afters. We love blue tape. We call it the blue tape special around here, if you guys didn't know that. And that's really just us just detailing things, giving you guys a nice hard 50-50 of what it looks like before and after we transform it with these awesome Chemical Guys products. And we highly encourage you guys to do the same, because at the end of the day, people that are hiring you is because they see the work and the quality that you're putting out there. So you want to make sure that you're really just serving that on a silver platter. That way people can see what you do and what your brand is all about. Now, another thing that you guys should be posting is your testimonials from your customers. Now, the reason that you guys want to do this is simply because people love your work, and you guys should be showing it to other people that people love your brand and what you do. So what we mean by that is, if people love the quality of work that you're putting out there, you want to make sure that it's shown and not just, just a facade of you just posting before and afters. Post your customers and how happy they are, and it doesn't hurt to ask them for a review. If you do have a business that's registered with some kind of platform that you can have reviews on, highly recommend that you do that, because really, whenever you look up a restaurant or somewhere fun to go, you're always looking at the reviews at the places that you're going to, because obviously you want to make sure that it's awesome and it doesn't suck. So people are going to be doing the same exact thing for your detailing business. If they see that you're doing a really poor job at detailing cars, probably not going to hire you. But if I see a detailing brand that has nothing but great reviews, there's a lot higher chance that I'm going to hire you, as opposed to the 1-star, 2-star reviews that you can be getting. Another thing that you guys can be posting on your social media are things to educate your customers. Now, what I mean by that is, an educated customer is going to be more willing to spend on something that's for their vehicle if they know it's actually, how it's benefiting their vehicle. So what I mean by that is, to most people, a detail can be as simple as a car wash. To some people, it can be as extensive as a full paint correction with a ceramic coating. And people are most likely not going to book you for a ceramic coating if they don't know what that is. So by you posting things that have things to do with like ceramic coatings and showing like the level of shine and the durability of protection that you get from them, they're going to be more willing to actually want to spend on that, as if they didn't know in the first place. So educating your customers is a great way to just really maximize the overall reach of how many potential customers you can have. Another thing that you want to focus on when it comes to starting your detailing business is investing in tools, because tools are going to last you a very long time. So what I mean by tools is you want to make sure that you have everything that you need to clean a car inside and out, whether it be cleaning wheels, the outside, the inside, whatever it is, you name it. You want to make sure that you have all the essential accessories such as brushes, towels. You want to make sure you have a vacuum, a generator, a water pump, a water tank, a pressure washer, depending on the direction that you're taking your detailing business in. Or if you're starting off small, go ahead and start off with something like a waterless wash. You can use something like our EcoSmart waterless wash, or even our Swift Wipe waterless wash, and those are both great alternative methods of washing your vehicle that doesn't require you to have a pressure washer, a water tank, and all this crazy stuff, and a car for you to have to haul all that stuff in. And then when it comes to starting off your detailing business, I always tell everyone this: if you have the luxury of just being able to buy everything all at once, I'm talking about all your accessories, your chemicals, and all the supplies that you need to detail, go ahead and do so. But if you're just starting off, go ahead and build your way up. There's nothing wrong with starting off with offering something like as little as a waterless wash or maybe just some interior detailing stuff. You always want to just start off small, build your way up, build your chemical guys detailing arsenal, and just have everything ready one day so that you guys can have the ultimate detailing arsenal to handle any detailing job, anytime, anywhere, any place. Another thing that you want to make sure that you have narrowed down is the chemicals that you use when it comes to detailing. Now you want to make sure that, well, the last thing that you want is to show up to a job and have a job and not have the essential chemicals that you need in order to get the job done. So what I mean by that is, you always want to make sure you have your essentials like car wash soap, cleaners and degreasers, wheel cleaners, quick detail sprays, glass cleaners, you name it. You want to make sure that you have all that stuff ready whenever you show up to the job, because the last thing that you want to do is be struggling out there without the right tools and chemicals for the job. So make sure that you stock up on all that stuff beforehand. That way you're not stuck in any kind of, controversial situations. And then if you are doing this as a business, here at the Chemical Guys, we highly recommend that you take advantage of our gallon sizes because they're going to be the best bang for your buck. So with the gallon sizes, since they're all basically concentrated, you can go ahead and dilute them into separate spray bottles to have multiple versions that are ready to use, as opposed to you just having to always pour it out from the gallon into the same bottle that you have. So make sure that you have gallon sizes available. That way you can easily dilute your products, whether you want to take it with you on the go or leave it at home and just have all your products ready to use in 16-ounce bottles or even 32-ounce bottles. And when it comes to a detailing business, we highly recommend that you work fast and effective. One way of maximizing your efficiency when it comes to detailing on the go is having everything organized. So there's nothing better than having a detailed rig and organized rig. And we also have some organizational tools for you here at Chemical Guys that'll help you on the road, on the go, such as our, this one right here, this elephant in the room. You have our speed load, quick load caddy. We also have our arsenal range bag, our ride along trunk organizer. We have our regular trunk organizer. We have our dumpy universal storage bin and car trash can, and probably a couple others that I'm forgetting right now, but we'll make sure to show footage of all of them, that way you guys can see. But we have a ton of organizational tools for you guys to have. This one has a nice little handle so you can have all your essential Chemical Guys products at hand and nearby and in easy reach. Another great way to maximize your efficiency when it comes to detailing is using some all-in-one products. Now, here at Chemical Guys, we have products that are solely what they are, such as like leather cleaner, and we also have products that are kind of hybrid products, like, this is just an example. But we also have products like sprayable leather, which is a leather cleaner and conditioner in one. So those are some great ways to kind of cut corners in the sense that, if the vehicle obviously is fit for the product, such as, if the leather's not too bad, maybe just lightly dirty, it just needs a light conditioning, sprayable leather is great. If your leather that you're working on is super dirty and it's super dry and neglected, then you're probably going to want to go the leather cleaner / conditioner route. But some products that will actually help you maximize your efficiency is soaps like our Extreme Body Wash and Wax. That's a great soap to utilize on the road because it's a high foaming soap, it's pH neutral, it rinses off with 0 residue, and it also has a wax infused formula. So not only are you washing the customer's car, but you're also waxing their vehicle at the exact same time. And you also have things like our VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover, which are an all-in-one polish and compound in one. You have products like our Insight Wheel Cleaner, which is an all-in-one wheel cleaner, and our Cling On Tire Foam, which is a spray-on tire shine. It's a cleaner, conditioner, and protectant all-in-one. And other products such as Hybrid VO7. These are just all examples, but we have a full lineup of chemicals. These are just kind of some examples that you guys can be utilizing. That way you kind of maximize your efficiency when it comes to kind of knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. And the main reason that you want to maximize your efficiency when it comes to detailing is because more time equals more cars that you can do in a day, which equals running out of hands, but that equals more money that you can make in a day. So by cutting out all the wasted time from running back and forth from your rig to the car that you're working on, not having your chemicals ready to use, having to go from here to there, having to refill products from your gallon to your 16-ounce bottle, is really just going to maximize your time and efficiency and allow you to complete more cars in a single day. The next thing that you want to do when it comes to your detailing business is provide exceptional work. Now, what I mean by that is you want to really make sure to set yourself apart from the competition, because that's really what's going to create your detailing brand. You're not going to get anywhere doing the same thing as everybody else. You're not going to have a name. You're just going to be the same old person if you just copy what everyone else is doing. Be you. So do exactly what you need to do to set yourself apart from the competition, because that's really what's going to determine how you can go ahead and price your services. But doing things like keeping your customer updated throughout the detailing experience, that's one great way to go ahead and just keep them updated and just really make them feel like their car is valued by you. Because obviously you're a detailer, you should be caring about the vehicle because you are the one who cares about detailing all the details, right? It's the details that matter when it comes to detailing. If you were just a car washer, then you would just be a car washer, but you're not, because you are a detailing brand and a detailing service. So you want to make sure that you go into detail with your customer, really explain to them what's going on in the vehicle, what's getting done, even if it's just a simple wash. So you really want to make sure that you go the extra mile when it comes to your customers' cars, especially when you're first starting out, because that's really what's going to help you out, and that's really what's going to make your customer happy and keep coming back to you, is your attention to the detail of their vehicles. And it can be something as very simple as just making sure that the door jambs are wiped down, the glass is crystal clear, maybe there's a smudge left on the car. Just go ahead, go in there, take care of that stuff. If you can go ahead and knock it off very easily, why not do it? So some things that you can do that are very easy to just really impress your customer is just, simple things. Provide them with a complimentary air freshener. I've seen some people just kind of leave some free complimentary microfiber towels, and your business card, your business tag, whatever it is, or even sometimes you can actually get some of the small 4-ounce bottles and just provide those to your customers, kind of as just like little bonus things just to kind of give them, that'll just really make them feel happy at the end of the day. Because if your customers are happy, then they're going to come back to you. The next thing that you want to do is make sure that you're updated with the latest in the detailing world industry. So what I mean by that is stay educated, take classes. If you guys don't know about our classes, we actually have classes here at Detail Garage store locations. So make sure to check with your local Detail Garage stores. We have all types of classes, from our DIY basics class, which teaches you everything from washing your car, clay barring, waxing, sealing, glazing, and all that good stuff. And we also have our DIY intro to polishing class, which teaches you how to use the machine polishers, which pads to use, which compounds and polish combination in order to remove all the imperfections from your ride for that perfect finish. And last but not least, we also have our master's course, which is a 5-day course that we offer that is going to be teaching you everything and anything that has to do about detailing. So for all you guys out there who are really wanting to make this your detailing business, I would highly recommend that you take that course, because that's going to literally show you everything from polishing, washing cars with and without water, ceramic coating, and a bunch of other things that we can't even cover right here on this video. So make sure to check in with your local Detail Garage store to learn more about that. And then for those of you guys out there who don't have the luxury of having a Detail Garage in your area, go ahead and take advantage of our online blog articles on our website. We have a ton of blog articles that you guys can utilize, that you guys can read and just really learn everything from step-by-step guides to video tutorials on our YouTube channel. And that's exactly what you guys are watching right now. So if you guys haven't seen our channel, we have over 1,000 videos on our YouTube channel showing you guys everything about every single one of our products, and showing you guys how to use them and maximize your use with them to achieve the best results possible. All right, guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys wanna learn more about our courses here at Detail Garage, check out the link in the description to find your local Detail Garage store today. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, we'll see you guys next time.